Thomas Edwards, and this is for the MA12 lesson. This is for the GCSE 1 year group who are going through to do their GCSE 1 year for maths. So again, today we're going to look at the place holding. It was on the list like third or fourth to do, but I thought today we'll do place holding just today, because it will help us when we go on to expanding brackets tomorrow and do all the stuff as well. Okay, so place holding. Now place holding is where we put numbers. Now this is a really handy way of doing this. Place holding. Now I, like myself, don't like just putting a number out. For example, 4040. That it can work. It can work. You know, you can put like that, and then put tens, hundreds, thousands, hundreds, tenths, and units. You can do it like that. That could work for you, and that's good, because it can work for you like that, because it might be a bit easier for you just put it on the top. But when you come into stuff like algebraic expressions, for example, and like simple list form, this becomes quite useful this new way. So let's do a box. So I'm going to turn the camera this way a bit so I'll do my box. You can laugh at me in a minute. That says thousands, that's hundreds, tens, and units. Okay, so let's look back at the LOLs for this lesson. Okay, so today's lesson we're going to understand place value, using methods how to do that, and dividing tens, hundreds and thousands if we get some time a little bit later on. So, as you can see, I've done that. Now, this looks a little bit easier to do. So you can put 4, 0, 4, 0. There we go. So that looks a bit more neater. And then that will allow you to, you know, be able to sum it out. Now, if you're in an exam, that can be really, really helpful. Now, the number is 4040. We must make sure we put the 0 and keep the correct to the right column, as we did. So this gives us column room. With this one, I mean, you can just do that if you wanted to. It can be a bit messy, as you can see. So basically, if we have divided this number, so from the zeros above we have 44, if that's a different number from, you know, that as well. So basically, as you can see, that's that. Now if we took a bit more numbers off and kept the 4 and a 4, this is another example here. Let's use an example here. This is just understanding place value. So another number we had is 44. Now as you can see, we don't put 0 here or here. Word of warning, you can do it, so you can put 0, 0, but we tend to not do that. So in this bit here, you can see 4, 4, 4, 0, 4, 8, it all fits in. So no place value is smaller, so we need to think thousands. When you think thousands, so is that number there, 44, bigger than this, or in the same value of this? No, so you can't use it. 100. This comes nice and neatly onto AOA 3 there, so that will really help in a few minutes time as well. So is 44 bigger than that? No. What's that? Tenth. Is it around 90 to 10? 44. Yes. So that 4 goes into there. Units. Is it bigger than 10? So the units, is it from 9 to 0 to 9. 4. Yeah, so that goes into there. So that's fine. Okay, so that's what you have to think about. The rules. Now, let's draw up some rules. I'll draw something off actually. We've seen that. Let's do some rules of using this system. Yeah, rub off one nice neat LLs just yet. Okay. Okay, got pen this time. Okay, so rules. So they're like rules, you know, normal rules. Don't do this, don't do that. Now, with these place holdings, we need to think what. First of all, is what unit is it placed? Now that is an example of 100, 1,000, 110. It needs to be in one of these placements. So it needs to be 1,000, 110. You need to think about the number. You need to think about the number. Think about the number. For example, 49. Is it bigger or is it smaller? 49. Okay, does it go into 1,000? No. Does it 100? 99 to 99 to 100 actually. 100 to 900. No. Does it go from 10 to 90? Yes it does, but the 4 down. Units, does it go from 10 to 0? Yes it does, but the 9 down. So there's some of the factors you'll learn over the term about place value and holdings. Okay, so let's go back to our source of the LOLs. Understanding the place and how to use it. So understanding the place value system. I think we've done that, covered that quite well. Using the method and how it's using the method. And state rules and all that, I think we have done that quite well. Now it's dividing into 10, 1,000 and that as well. Okay. Now in this bit, it's good using place value because then you can think outside the box, because when you do percentages later on, you'll be able to do that. So let's go on. So, everyone knows when you have a number, for example 45,000, when you divide it by any number, which can be 10, it can be any number. We'll do mixed numbers later on though. Let's leave with these ones for now. 1,000. Right, taking 10 off that, we'll take that 0 out, so then it'd be 4500. 1,000 out of that, you take another 0 out of that, and 1,000, you take like that, and take another 2 0, and that other 0 out, which leaves 45. Okay, so that's how to do it. Now you can use the box method of placing holdings and placements, because in place holdings this can come up, and if you're going to divide by this number here, this one here, or using a place value, this will really help you. Okay, so let's do another example. Let's use now place holding, because now this is a secret. The extension of LOLs today, which we're going to do, is dividing by these numbers, but we're going to use place holdings. So we need to, from our understanding and using the method, we're going to use these numbers here to get a sample answer through. So let's give a number. So let's do our box. That is thousands, hundreds, tenths and units. Box it up. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we're going to have the number 600 and 95 or 60. 95. And I divided that one actually because I thought let's knock out the 95 first of all, because it won't be a thousands one if you have got 95 or even numbers. Now someone just mentioned that to me because I was trying to trick you out, because if I was going to put a number, I wanted everyone to spot out that if I put a number or any number without a 0 on the end, 2 digits or 0, it can't be done like we can just knock off noughts. It can't be done. You have to do it the old math measured way. So thank you guys for noticing that. Now let's divide that by 100. So what I would suggest, you got 100. So take the 100 and put a ring around this. Got the one out there. The one out there, okay? So what you're doing is like pearl sweets or like 2 donuts. You're ringing them together and leaving one out. So that's 2. So we know we're going to lose 2 digits. So that's 1, 2. The answer would be in the diagram, thousands, hundreds, tens and units. It will be 56. Our answer. Okay, so that today is us doing the bit more extra today on dividing on tens, thousands and units. Soon we're going to do back dividing when it comes up again in AL1. But this is just the basics of place value and how it can be useful in dividing, it can be useful in percentages and all sorts of topics. It just needs to come up because it will really help you in the basics when it comes to the biggie exams as well. Okay, so that is it for today. I've been Thomas Edwards. If you've got any questions, please put them below. So today we have understand the place value, we know how to use it, know what the method is, and we have found out dividing 1110 how we would do that basically as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.